Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to day 4 of this over-the-shoulder 0 to 10K challenge. And in this video, I'm going to give you my welcome video outline. So you're going to upload your first welcome video on your YouTube channel. So we're going to go over this outline real quick, and then we're going to go over the process of editing your video and then uploading your video to YouTube, and then optimizing the title, description, and tags. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's follow this outline real quickly, and I'll show you the video that I'm editing, and then we'll go on from there. So number one, what type of content will you be delivering to your audience? That's the first thing that you need to answer within your video. So a perfect example would be content that will help you build a business that you don't have to escape from. Okay, so that's sort of the content that people can expect to be receiving from me. Number two, who is this channel for? Those that want to start and grow their online business. And number three, why did you name the channel whatever you named it, okay? And my example would be there's a lot of false information out there, such as here today, gone tomorrow, biz ops, and short-term strategies. I'm looking to give you authentic perspective of what it really takes to build a long-term business and relationship with your customers. So going back to your mission/vision statement, that's really what this is right here. Your channel name should be a representation of that. Number four, you want to give your audience 1 to 2 minutes of your background. Why did you get into your niche, whatever niche that you're in? What was life like before you started your niche? And what is life like now as a result of diving into the niche? What type of results have you gotten? What type of lifestyle are you living now? And you don't have to be in a point where you've got massive results. Maybe you've just realized the possibility of having a healthier body, having a healthier mind, building a profitable online business. So maybe you talk about the excitement that goes along with having leverage in your business to where you don't have to trade time for money, right? If you're a consultant, you're teaching people how to start their own business, right? So you want to talk about the vision of what really got you bought into, going into the niche that you're in. And then number five, you want to have a call to action. Tell your audience to comment what type of content they would like you to talk on, and inform them to like the video and subscribe if they are interested in receiving more content from you. And then also ensure they tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that you upload when you upload them. And you guys can feel free to cut this up, right? You can do one take covering just section number 1, okay? And then you could do another take covering section number 2. You don't have to do this all in one go or all in one take. And to add to that, you don't have to be on video to do this if you don't want to. You can use a software like Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can use Keynote. This is what I use. And you could just have a bio section that's like this, that you just switch between slides, right? So you got a picture of yourself here. You've got your bio, which kind of follows this outline right here. And you can just record your screen that way. I use a software called Camtasia. Okay, write that down, Camtasia. I'll put it below as well. There's also a software called ScreenFlow that's for Mac. I'm not sure if it's for PC, but you can just go to Google up here and you can type in ScreenFlow. Okay, it's right up here, first result. And then there are free solutions. One is Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so you can get that here. And you can also just type in free screen recorder, right? And you'll get quite a few results here. See, here's Screencast-O-Matic once again. Okay, so very easy to use. I would kind of get to know whichever software that you're using. Of course, I use Camtasia. I wish I could show you exactly how I use it in this video, but I'm using it right now. So I have to use another software to record Camtasia, but it's very straightforward. You can set up the screen portion that you want to record, whether it's the whole Mac, the whole PC like I've got here, or you could pick a specific window, and then you can, of course, configure a microphone if you have a microphone. This microphone that I'm using right here is a Blue Yeti microphone, okay? And you can get one of these, I think, from Best Buy for right around $100 to $120 or so, or even on Amazon. There are other cheaper solutions, so you can just feel free to go to Amazon and type in microphones or computer microphones or USB microphones, and I'm sure you're going to find something that's pretty good. So what I did is I decided to just record this really quickly. Like, the production value does not need to be great, okay? You need to have decent lighting. A decent background is good too, something that contrasts. So like, you've got the brown leather here with my white shirt, so kind of pops. But don't get caught up too much into the production value and editing, adding titles on screen and then transitions and all that stuff. What I typically use is what's called jump cutting. So where I mess up or where I stop, right? So if you're following this outline right here and you shoot this section right here, what you would do is you would stop there and then just add your next section to the next portion. Okay, so in this case, let's say this is my first section right here. It's 34.6 seconds.
Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Want to give you a warm welcome from the car. Yes, I just got done playing a little bit of golf. That's one of the things I absolutely love to do. But I want to give you a warm welcome to the channel. There's a lot of content that's either around right now or that will be uploaded, helping you to build a business and a life that you absolutely love, that you don't have to escape from. So whether you're somebody that's brand new online, you want to build a business from scratch, or you want to scale your current business, this channel is for you. I called it the Authentic Marketer for a reason.
So this would be like finishing your first section. So what you could do is you could stop the recording, or you could look at your notes real quick and start the second section. So you would delete that part where you ended section 1, and then there's going to be 5 seconds of silence or 10 seconds, however long it is, when you're looking at your notes to go into section 2. You would delete that portion and then jump to section 2. So it's very easy. All you would do is cut the portions that you want out. So like right here, let's say that I wanted to cut right here, and I would split clip, and I would go over here and I would split clip right here, and then I would just delete right here in the middle. Okay, so this is iMovie, which is available for Mac. For PC, you would have to actually look online. Once again, if I go to Google and type in video editing software, you got free software that you can download, obviously, that you can use. You can use YouTube itself. YouTube has a settings section to where you can edit your videos. So as you can see here, you got tons of tutorials on YouTube editing. There's also, softwares right here. What is the best app for editing videos for YouTube? You can see that there's Viva Video, Magisto, iMovie, which is what I'm using here, KineMaster, Replay, CuteCut, WeVideo Clips. There's tons of different softwares out there. You just have to find one that fits you, and then you just simply cut out, the places where you had made mistakes. And that's what I did here. So if I go and I undo this, of course, we don't want to actually edit that, right? And so you can see this transition right here.
So you can get to the point.
You see that? So you can actually transition from one spot to another without people really noticing too much that you had even made a mistake. Most people don't even notice these jump cuts because they're so used to seeing them across YouTube on just millions of different videos. So don't think that you have to cover all those 5 points in sequential order without stopping. You can stop at each one. Again, complete number 1, then number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And the same goes for, recording your screen. If you're recording a PowerPoint, spots where you mess up, the cool thing is people don't even see your face. Unless you want to share your face, you can do that like in the bottom right-hand corner. That's optional. So once we're done with this, of course, what we do is we want to, of course, export this. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to File. And then I'm going to go to here. I'm going to type in welcome video, and then welcome video, and then go to next. And then we're just going to share it to the desktop. So while that's doing that, what we will do is we will go to our YouTube account. All right. And then what we'll do is we'll select files to upload. we'll click on the desktop up here. That's where we saved it, and then select welcome video. And then what we'll do is we will add some tags here that relate to the actual video. Okay, so it will be like we talk about online business, how to start an online business. Let's see, what else do we got? How to make money online, how to grow a business online. Okay, and what I also have, you notice that as I type some words in, that all these ideas are coming up. And this is called vidIQ. You're going to want to download this software. Okay, and what it does is it gives you recommended tags, and it also gives you ideas as you're typing in tags here. So all you need to do is go over to Google once again and type in vidIQ plugin. And you can find it right here, actually, as the second result in the organic results. This is a paid result right here. So you're going to click on that, and you want to make sure you have Chrome installed as your web browser, and you can actually click right here to install it. Of course, I've already got it installed. That's why you're seeing remove from Chrome here. But you install it, takes like 10 seconds, and then you can, you'll be able to have the capabilities to get this checklist right here, which is really cool. Make sure that your video's optimized correctly. This is your SEO rating right here, so how well it's optimized for the search engines. So it's really cool, all in one tool for you. There will be another tool called TubeBuddy that we will install later on once we start using that. But for now, you're going to want vidIQ. And then what I would do typically is after I add a few of my own keyword ideas, I can jump down here and just add these as well, these recommended tags. And by the way, I'm just using the free version, okay? And then you'll see like a video on this side, which is related to the tags that you've got up here. And you could add these as well, but these actually really don't relate too much to my primary video. Sometimes this works pretty well, sometimes it doesn't. So what we'll want to do now is we've got our welcome video, and then we would want to add like a summary of what this video is about right here in the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this whole entire thing, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go over here. Of course, I'm not going to use the whole thing. So my goal is to be able to give people the opportunity to stop trading time for money and make the type of income they truly deserve. Okay, I could probably work on this a little bit more, but this is just a summary, a little synopsis of what your channel is about. And then up here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in subscribe to my channel here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I need to go to my actual channel page. So we're going to, let's see, we're going to click on YouTube Studio Beta. So then we're going to go to my channel right here. And then what we want to do is we want to take this, we want to copy it, okay? And then we're going to create a new window over here, and we're going to type in subscribe to channel link. Okay, how to make a YouTube URL that auto subscribes to your channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. And number one, I'm going to go to the web browser up here. I'm going to paste my YouTube channel URL. And then we want to add this question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. I'm going to add it to the end of my channel URL. So you saw here, this is the channel URL. We plugged it into here after we came to this website to find this little modifier thing here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and we're going to go to a website called bit.ly or bit.ly, okay? And we're going to create a smaller link. So we're going to shorten this link. I'm going to go ahead and paste here, and boom, we're going to copy this little link right here. Go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to go over here, and we're going to paste it right here. Now there's another tool, I think it's called Google URL shortener, but I think it's being discontinued here pretty soon. Yeah, see, it doesn't even work anymore. So what we want to do is we want to use bit.ly. So once I paste that there, I'm going to actually change this. I'm going to put welcome to my channel. Cool. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to publish. The last thing that we want to do is we want to go back to the YouTube studio and we want to add a video trailer. And then we're going to go to my channel once again. And then we're going to go to customize channel. And then we're going to go to for new visitors. We're going to add a channel trailer right here, and it's going to be our welcome video. We're going to go ahead and click save, and that is it. So a lot to cover within this video. If you want to reference everything that we did in this video, make sure that you look in the section below. And I hope you got value from this video. Video 4, we've got our first piece of YouTube content up. We've also got our first piece of Facebook content up on our fan page. So I'm looking forward to starting to drive traffic this week now that we've got the foundation set up. And for those of you that are watching this case study series for free on my YouTube channel or somewhere else online, and you want access to this whole entire case study, go ahead and click the first link below and we'll see if you are a good fit for this, okay? So talk to you guys soon. Hope you got value from this video and we will see you in the next one.